Today we will start first lesson of class 2nd for subject science. The name of book is Wonder of Science. Now we will start first lesson. The title of first lesson is Various Plants. Now we will study in this chapter different types of plants. Now this is the brief idea about the lesson. We see different kinds of plants around us. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big and tall, called as trees. They have strong stems. So the plants who have strong stems are known as trees. Okay, on the left side we are seeing some plants. First of all, shrubs, then herbs, then creepers. Herbs are small shrubs and creepers are the plants which are growing on earth. Some plants are short and bushy, called as shrubs. They have many branches close to the ground. The branches of shrubs are close to grounds. Some plants are small with soft stems. They are called herbs. Some weak-stemmed plants cannot stand erect on their own. They need some support. They are called climbers. These plants are lying on the earth to get support. Some weak-stemmed plants creep along the ground. They are called creepers. Parts of plants. The next topic is parts of plants. Roots are usually found under the ground. It is clear to all of you that roots of plants are usually below the ground. The roots hold the plants in the ground. All plants use their roots to get water. From the roots, all the plants are getting water from ground. Water travels through the roots to rest of the plant. Water is circulated by roots to hold the plant. In figure, we are seeing some plants. The first one is banyan tree. The next one is coconut tree. The next one is mango tree. And the last one is pine tree. The next topic is stem. The stem is usually found above the ground. The stem supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The upper part after root is stem, which is above the ground level, and it supports branches, leaves, fruits, flowers, etc. Water moves up the stem. The water circulation is through the stem. It travels from the roots to the leaves. Food moves down the stem. It comes from the leaves. Because food is made by leaves, so it is circulated downwards through the stem. We eat the stem of many plants. Usually we eat the stem of many plants. The leaf. The leaf grows on the stem and branches. All of you well known about leaves. It grows on the stem. Leaves of most plants are green. Mostly leaves are green. Leaves of different plants are different in size, shape, color, and texture. There are difference in different leaves. They may vary in size, shape, color, and texture. Leaves of some plants. Now here we will discuss the leaves of some plants. The leaf makes food for the plant. It uses air, water, and sunlight. Only green plants can make food because they have chlorophyll. The food for plant is made by leaf, in which they use air, water, and sunlight. Only green plants can make food because they have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is green and gives leaves their green color. It is made of green color and it gives also the color of leaves, which is green. We eat leaves of many plants. Flowers. The next part is flower. Flowers are usually the most beautiful part of the plant. Many flowers are brightly colored. Some flowers have nice smell. E.g. means, for example, jasmine. Others have unpleasant smell. Some flowers grow singly and some other flowers grow in cluster. Cluster means in small groups. Now we will see some plants below this paragraph. The first one is for mint. The next one is for tomato. The next one is for rice. And the last one is for grass. A flower's function is to make fruit and seeds. What is the function of flower? To make fruit and seeds. Now we will discuss interesting facts. Bananas contain a natural chemical which can make people feel happy. Brazil is named after a tree. These are the interesting facts. Now on the next page, the first figure is for grapevine. Then next for pea, you can see the plant of pea. Then money plant. And the next one is for bean. You see the differences, colors, leaves, stems on the figure. Fruits. Fruits of many plants are edible. Edible means which can be eaten. Many animals like to eat the fruits of plants. We eat fruits of many plants. We also eat many fruits as vegetables. Now see the pictures below this paragraph. The first one is watermelon and the next one is pumpkin. I think all of you have eaten watermelon and pumpkin. You can see the picture of their plants as well as foods as well as fruits also. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are plants that have adapted to live in aquatic environments. Aquatic plants are those who are living in aquatic environments. They grow in are near water and is either emergent, submergent or gloating. Example, lotus and water lily. You can see the plants and flowers of lotus as well as water lily. These are very pleasant flowers, looking very nice. Desert plants. Desert plants are often swollen, spiny, have tiny leaves that are redly bright green. These desert plants have tiny leaves. They are succulent. They store water in freshly leaves, stems or roots. You see the first picture of desert lily, and the next one is cactus. These are grown in deserts. The next topic is seeds. Some fruits have many seeds. Other fruits have few seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. This is the discussion regarding to seeds. It's very important because seed is the very important part of plants. Now the next page is one seeded fruit, few seeded fruits and many seeded fruits. A seed grows into a new plant. Air, water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of plants. In this, it should be well known to you that air, water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of plants, because these are the essential things to grow the plants. Now we will discuss life of plants. Most trees and shrubs live for many years. A banyan tree can live for hundreds of years. Plants such as the pea, the brinjal and the rice live for a few months. In the picture you can see a clear picture of a plant in which the lower part is root, which is below the ground. Then above the ground the first part begins from stem, then leaves, flowers, fruits. By this picture you can know about the different parts of a plants. Food from plants. We get most of our food from plants, e.g. e.g. means, for example, food grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables, etc. Tea and coffee are also obtained from the plants. So most of our food is from plants. Thus we have completed the reading and explanation of lesson 1 for class 2nd. Thank you.